In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use FXReplay to backtest your strategy and also how you can optimize it to get better results. The first step is to sign up. You can use the link in the description to get a 15% discount at no extra cost for you. Then once done, you'll get to this page. To start your backtesting, click on Backtesting Session, Start a Session, then click on Advanced Session. Here you can choose a name for your session. Then choose a strategy. If you don't have it, it's okay, you can create one later on. Then choose a chart layout. You will have one after your first session. Then click on Next. Here you can choose your account balance and you can choose the assets that you want to trade. I'm going to choose Bitcoin and I'm also going to choose Ethereum. I click on Next. And here you can choose also to enable spreads and commissions. And here you can choose the date that you want your backtesting to start from. I'm going to choose 26 December 2025. And I will click on auto update end date. That way my session never ends. And I click on create session. Then here is your session. To start backtesting, just click on play here. And you will see that the chart is moving. You can pause it. And then here you can change your symbol. For example, we can switch to Ethereum. But let's say you want to place your order, just click on place order here. Here you can choose whether you want to buy or sell, the type of your order, limit, market or stop. And then you can choose your position size, your entry price, and your stop loss and take profit. We can have two take profits, one at $95,000 and one at $100,000. Then I click on save and journal. Here a journal appears where I can add a screenshot of my trade, my checklist, my tags, my confidence level, my trade rating, and my notes. Don't worry about it, you can add it later, just click cancel. Now if you want to backtest, just click on play here and you start your backtesting. Now you can see here at the bottom there is account balance, your realized P&L and unrealized one. And if you click here, you can see your positions, where you placed your take profit, your stop loss, etc. You can also change those by just dragging these like that. Now if you want to also see the news, just click here and you will see the news come out live. You can also speed up your test by dragging this here. And you can also change the time frame which your test is going on. Now as you can see, my first take profit has been hit. And I can click here again to journal it. You can also click here to add indicators. And you can choose from this list by searching for an indicator. Now let's say you completed your test, placed multiple orders and want to analyze your strategy. All you need to do is click here to go back and click here on analytics and choose your session. I'm gonna show a demo data. For example, you can see your profits and loss, your total P&L, your account balance, win rate, total trades, break-even trades, and break-even threshold. If you don't know what something means, just click on this information and it will explain to you what does it mean. This is some statistic to help you understand your strategy better. Then here you can see your expectancy and profit factor, your winners and losers, your win rate, and your performance by session, your performance by time, and your performance by day. And here you can see your performance by month and your performance calendar. And here's some average trade frequency. Now if you go back up, you can click here on drawdown and you can see all the drawdown analytics. For example, the max one, the average one, the time to recovery, and the drawdown frequency. This will help you optimize your strategy. And then you can also click on the simulation here and click on run scenario. And it will show you the different scenarios that you can use with your strategy. For example, you can see these results and see how your strategy works in different scenarios. If you click on strategy here, you can also create a new strategy that you can backtest it in a new session. And you can also click on battles here to go on battles with other traders, but it's a new functionalities that they are still rolling. So yeah, the platform is pretty much straightforward. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. Take care and see you on the next one.